Hi YouTube. My last video was when we opened this engine up and we noticed a few problems. One was the reverse rotation of the water pump, making it useless. That was easy enough to address. We put a half turn in the belt, and now when our engine turns clockwise, if you see, the water pump turns the opposite direction. The fan also ran backwards, blowing across the radiator in that direction instead of pulling the air through. That was also addressed by putting a half turn in the belt. The water pump does work. You can notice that when we fire it up, you'll see the air bubble move through, and we know that it's pumping water that way. I've adjusted the valves, taken the lash out of them, and it's ran, I think, 4 tanks of fuel through it. So at this point, it's fairly well broken in. I did have a comment on our last video about the piston rings, and it did come with a replacement set, and they are these little 13mm piston rings. They're made of Floragel. It's obviously a proprietary silicone or whatever, but the engine does come with a set of these to replace it. So we'll start it, and after it's been run in now, this starts very easily. You can start it by hand. Nice low idle. You can read that, but it's about 1450 RPM. It'll sit there and run like that all day. Very cool to the touch. Looking through some items that I have, and I came across this generator that I had made years ago. And, if you guys would like, we can make a video on this, on how to make one. It was made from an electric starter for a snowblower. So we'll put this little H75 to work. There you go. If nothing else, you saw it here first. A little H75 engine running a generator. Remember, please like, share, subscribe. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks again, YouTube.